So today we are going to discuss about the case study on multipath propagation in the communication systems. So what is multipath propagation? So in the previous session video, we have discussed about the modulation process which is involved in the electronic and communication system. And here, when we have two locations, we can assume that A is one location and B is another location. The distance between the A and B, it has some several kilometers, right? So if you have in between the A and B point, if there is some obstacles or buildings or tall buildings or any hills or mountains and any other things which is actually considered as obstacles, right? So when we transmit the signal from that location A to location B, what happens actually means the signal will be propagating through the free space, and it will be strike on the buildings or any obstacles like mountains or any other things, and the actual signal will be deviated. That means either it may be reflected or refracted or scattering will be occurring. So because of this effect, right, the signal will not be able to reach at the destination point properly. So this is called a multipath propagation. So this is a problem which actually arises in the any communication systems. So how we could able to overcome this kind of a problem means, so by means of fixing the equalizer circuit in the receiver section. What will happens? So if you, for example, if you send any signal, because of the multipath propagation, the signal which is received at the receiver end will have a irregular shape, right? So the in a receiver section, it will not be able to find out which actually this signal is, whether it is a 0 or 1. The signal, what kind of information it is conveying, whether it is a 0 or 1. Like in case of digital, it is zeros or 1. So it will get a confusion that whether it is a 0 or binary 0 or binary 1. So at that time, if you keep the equalizer circuit there, and thus equalizer circuit will equalize, will eliminate the noises because of the multipath propagation, and it will be able to find out this will make the decision making circuit to make easy to find out what kind of information that is we actually received. So from that the original information, almost the original information can be retrieved from the signal. So the decision making set, before giving to the decision making circuit, there will be some equalizer circuit where this performs this kind of operation. So because of this, other things, the noises and information, the actual information will be extracted and the noise will be removed. Everything can be performed. So the multipath propagation, and I told you there is a reflection, refraction, and scattering, and everything I told. So reflection in the sense striking and returning back to the it's the same place. That is called a reflection. And refraction is the direction of this signal will be changed to some other direction instead of reaching to the destination. And as I said, the equalizer is one of the main part, and along with the equalizer, if you keep the proper tuning circuit at the receiver end, so we can have a precise tuning, and the precise tuning will get the actual frequency what actually transmitted from the transmitter end, and we can have our original information at the receiver section. So this is the one kind of a signal. So actually, though we have several techniques incorporated to overcome the multipath propagation effects, we have still we are facing some technical challenges in the propagation, though we have 4G or 5G or 6G, whatever it may be. So this is places some challenging thing. So many research papers are published by addressing this kind of a challenges. So as of now, these are the techniques are incorporated with the to overcome this communication problem, multipath propagation problem. And Here, due to this multipath propagation, there is a two effects called large scale fading and small scale fading is there. So fading, what is fading? The fading, actually we are using this word in the when we look at the colors, any color, any maybe dress color or any cloth color, right? So if the color of the cloth or the dress, actually it is diluted, means that is called a fading. So according to the signal propagation, the fading in the sense, the intensity, the strength of the signal will be degraded when it crosses the multipath. So this is also this according to that it is maybe it is classified into small scale fading and as well as the large scale fading. So this is the challenges. So this case study, from this case study we have several types of techniques are there. We have to study the complete techniques, and the appropriate one can be incorporated to overcome this kind of a problem, this kind of a challenge in the communication. So thank you.